Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you really quickly how I go in and I upscale my images to make sure that they are ready for Etsy or an Etsy listing when I'm working on my graphics. So these are images that I'm bringing in from Discord, which is via Midjourney. And so I'm going to do two of the images. I've already saved my watermark as PNG, and I use that to put on my images so that they all show that they are images that belong to me. All right, so I'm using Picmonkey, which is PICMONKEY.com, and Picmonkey, I actually pay a monthly subscription for Picmonkey. I just started using it and I'm trying to debate whether I like Picmonkey better or Canva. So right now I have both of them, but eventually I will decide to go with one or the other. All right. So when I'm in Picmonkey, the first thing I do is I come up here to the left and I click on File, Create New, and then I select Computer. And then I locate the image that I want to work with. So I stopped about, let's see, trying to kind of keep up with where I'm at. I think I stopped here. So I bring my image in and then I go to resize, smart resize, Etsy, and then I select the Etsy item listing photo and click resize. Once I do that, I get my image ready for me to download it. So I'm going to click download. And notice that my watermark is now all over the image, and that's because I added the watermark. So all you have to do is if you are not using a watermark, all you have to do is click on add watermark, and then you'll just upload that watermark into Picmonkey. And then going forward, whether you're doing a print or you're doing the web, whichever one you're doing, you can have that watermark automatically cover your image. All right. So when I click on download, it goes away, but there's my image now. So I'm just going to save this, and I'm going to call this Floral Diva, and I'm going to go with 4. And I use MU at the end because that lets me know that this one is mocked up. So anything that has an MU on the end of mine, they are mocked up images, meaning that I have already protected them with my logo or watermark. And that way I'm ready to go ahead and place them into Etsy without having to do anything else to them. So when you're in Etsy, guys, you want to make sure your listing photo um, I'm just going to click on edit, but this is where your listing photo will be right here. So you're going to click on edit and then you would add your image and then you can adjust the thumbnail to make that kind of show however you want it to display. So this would be the way you would do that. All right. So very quick video, not a whole lot. Guys, I just wanted to show you how I bring my images into Picmonkey and how I resize them for an Etsy listing. And this is not just for Etsy listing, guys. When you go to resize, you're going to see that there's many options out here. When you click on looking to change the size of your image while keeping the design intact, check out Smart Resize, or you can just type in the numbers here. All right. So whatever pixels you want to use, you can put them here. This right here keeps your proportions. So if you type in a number here, it's going to automatically adjust your height or vice versa. And then if you rather use percentages, you can click here to use your percentages. But we're going to keep it really simple and just a matter of bringing your image in from Midjourney and then upscaling it to make sure that it's appropriate for your Etsy listing. All right. So, like I said, really quick, I'm going to do it one more time just to make sure you have it. So, again, File, Create New, Computer, and we're going to bring in. I'm going to bring in one of my guys. I haven't done him yet. All right, so I bring my image in. I'm going to resize. Just going to go ahead right to the Etsy listing. And then I'm going to click on resize. I'm going to auto adjust it and then download. And it automatically puts my watermark on there. Again, you would just click here to add your watermark. Mine has already been added. All right, so you can see my watermark is all over him. So he belongs to me. He belongs to Mike. And then I would just click on download, guys. And there's my image. And I'm going to save him as. And I think I had another guy in here. So I'm just going to call him Emil Floral. And he's going to be number 4. And then I'll put my MU for mock-up. Now, I'm new to actually starting to save all of my images and start my Etsy shop, guys. Check out my Etsy shop. It will be linked in the description of this video. And you know, this is how I do mine. Now, is mine better than anyone else's? Nope. This is just how I do my particular mock-ups. So now I can go to my Etsy file and go to mock-ups. And so now I can scroll through all of my images that I have mocked up so far. And you see how quick I did it. The other thing, guys, when you're working in Picmonkey, one of the things I forgot to mention is, let's say you bring in a file. So we're going to create new. You can also do add image as well. But let's say we bring this image in. All right. And we want to remove that background. We don't want that white background. So you just come over here to the left and you click on remove background. And just that quick, your background is gone. All right. And then again, resize it. If you're getting it ready for an Etsy listing, then you do that and resize. And I always auto adjust. And then download for print. And download. And there it is. And I have my watermark kind of transparent, but you can still see it. I didn't want it to I didn't want it to cover up my image so you couldn't see my image. So I wanted my image to still be visible. But you know that there is a watermark clearly all over this image. All right. So that is how you can go in. Now I've shown you how you can go in and upload your image into Picmonkey and then resize it for an Etsy listing. You do have other resize options out there as well. Excuse me. I'll go ahead and save this right quick. Um, but I did show you how you can actually resize and use this smart resize. And here's all your different options. So if you're doing Twitter, Twitch, Tumblr, SoundCloud, Snapchat, Pinterest, Medium, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and then you can custom size by just typing directly in here what pixels you want for your actual image. All right. All right, guys, that is it. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. And if you have any comments or questions, chime in via the comments and let me know. But once I get this ironed out, guys, on how I'm doing my Etsy listings and I see that it's working for me, then I will do a video tutorial on starting your Etsy shop. But I'm still new to it. I'm still learning. I'm pretty sure it's a lot of things that I'm missing. But once I get it all ironed out, guys, then I'll come and share with you. All right. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. If you are in my Facebook group, Ken Dorsey's Cricut and Creative Crafters, I want to thank you guys so much for the support via Facebook. If you would like to join my Facebook group, it will be linked in the description of this video tutorial. All you have to do is click on the Facebook group link, Ken Dorsey's Cricut and Creative Crafters, and agree to the Facebook group rules, and we'll get you in. And if you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to thank you so much for subscribing and following me via YouTube. If you like my method of teaching, it's your first time seeing me, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also my TikTok, guys, follow me via TikTok because there are going to be times that I will do a TikTok live instead of a YouTube video. And that way you can stay in the know when I'm doing these tutorials, okay? But the good thing about the TikTok Live is you'll be able to communicate with me directly and ask questions and things like that. All right. So my TikTok is also Ken Dorsey's Creative Crafts. So if you're already on TikTok, then go ahead and follow me. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. You guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have an amazing day.